you know, over these last few weeks, I've been diving deep into this whole world of AI. And I've got to tell you, like, it's felt a bit like sitting on the front porch with a fresh cup of coffee and suddenly realizing the world is a whole lot bigger than you thought. I've been taking Anik Singal's course through UgenicAI. And honestly, it's been one of those experiences that makes you stop and say, why didn't I learn this sooner? The way he teaches, it's simple, it's duplicatable, and it feels like he's handing you the tools to finally build the kind of legacy you've always known was inside you. One of the first breakthroughs for me was creating my AI brain clone, capturing my pharmacist heart, my faith journey, my porch style storytelling, and all the lessons I've gathered from watching people struggle financially, physically, and spiritually. Seeing that come alive in script form was surreal. It felt like God handed me a megaphone and said, now go help more people. After that, I went ahead and built a voice clone. Hearing my own voice speak words I hadn't yet spoken was wild. It reminded me of those moments back in pharmacy school. Watching Kentucky basketball replays, I'm thinking, if only I could run the play before I actually run the play. Well, now I can. And then came the avatar, a digital version of me, taking those scripts and turning them into video. Suddenly, all the stories, all the faith reflections, all the wellness teachings, they weren't just ideas in my head. They were living, breathing messages that could reach people anywhere in the world. It's been an amazing journey, not hype, not noise, just simple, powerful tools helping me serve better, teach clearer, and build a legacy that lasts.